All right, week 1, 6th grade social studies. If you have R. Smith or if you have Mrs. Durbin, you are going to be doing the same things. So you have a diagnostic pretest, and you have some work on answering multiple choice questions. Neither one of these should be too difficult for you. So first thing, diagnostic pretest. Make sure that you are circling if you have Mrs. Durbin or R. Smith, and make sure your name is on every single paper. Okay, so first thing you have to do is you have to look at this picture. It's about a boy manages a fruit stand in 1915. And you guys can see that picture a lot better than I can. I might have to go get my packet to look at. So let's look at number 1. What point do you think the person who took this photograph wanted to make? A. Customers should choose from a wide selection of fruit at street markets. B. There was a serious danger of disease from unwashed fruit. C. There weren't enough assistants to help customers. Or D. Those markets that were hidden away found it difficult to attract customers. Now make sure that you're using the picture to answer the question, okay? And make sure that you're using your process of elimination. Number 2, what inference, remember what does if? Remember inference means to make a guess. Inference, guess. Make an inference can you infer from this photograph? Fruit was only sold in rural areas. It's like farmland. G, fruit and vegetable stores used to be dirty, untidy places. H, 100 years ago, fruit was much more expensive than it is today. Or J, young children were allowed to hold jobs in 1915. Okay, this is a whole new page, so make sure that you're looking at this one differently. You're not comparing it to the picture. So, you have your legend right here. The highways, there's the 71 Interstate Highway. This sign is a U.S. or state highway, and then that dot there is the state capital. Okay, so number 3, what is Kentucky's state capital? A, Cadiz, B, Frankfort, C, Lexington, or D, Louisville? Number 4, which of these is an interstate highway? Route 24, Route 31E, Route 41, or Route 51? So remember, an interstate highway, and that's going to go up here, interstate highway. It's going to be this symbol that you're looking at, okay? Number 5, which highway connects Pikeville in the southeast of the state with Lexington near the center? So you're looking for Pikeville and Lexington. So Pikeville is in the southeast. Use your compass. And Lexington is near the center, so make sure that you find those two. Number 6, which highway connects Paducah in the southwest of the state with Lexington near the center? So let's see which highway. Route 24, Route 68, Route 80, or Route 402. So once you're done with that one, you're done with Kentucky. This one, make sure that you're circling if it's Mrs. Durbin or R. Smith. Make sure you have your name on it. This is just work on answering multiple choice questions. So, there's different kinds of multiple choice items. A multiple choice item might look like this. To answer this question, you need to have some prior knowledge of the topic. So it says the U.S. government gets its power from A, Congress, B, the people, C, the president, or D, the states. Prior knowledge is information you have already learned about the topic. It may be facts you learned from a textbook or facts that you learned from class from your teacher. To answer this question, you need to know that political power comes from the people. Here's another kind of a multiple choice question. So this goes up here. Number 2, the following are major events in U.S. history. Number 1, Southern states leave the Union. Number 2, the colonists defeat Britain in the Revolutionary War. Number 3, the World Trade Center is destroyed in a terrorist attack. Or number 4, women win the right to vote in federal elections. So, which answer below lists these 4 events in the order which they occurred? So you have 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 3, 1, 2, 4, or 4, 1, 3, 2. So it says this question also taps into your prior knowledge. It's like stuff you've already known. You need to know the dates of important events in history, but this question has a different style. You have to rank them, listed 1, 2, 3, and 4 according to their sequence. This means you have to sort them in order which they occurred. And then you have to find the answer choice that matches this time sequence, which is stuff you guys have all done before. Maybe where'd the other part of my thing go? Was that it?